Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use back camera on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead and launch the app, then sign in. Now on the bottom of the screen, you're going to see options like Live Video, Go Live, Chats and Meet. Tap on Go Live, then Go Live. Now on the bottom left corner, you're gonna see options like Comments, 3-line menu and other options. Go ahead and select 3-line menu. Then from there under Room Tools, you'll see options like Share, Beauty, Magic, Mirror and Flip. Tap on Flip, then you'll successfully use back camera on Bigo Live. And guys, that's it. That's how you use back camera on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.